Hello. So, Susannah here, Good Property Company. I'm in the middle of hey, Joe's here. I don't know if I'd call it a renovation or a repair job. So. What we're doing here, I'm actually in the bathroom at the moment, and look, up there. What we're doing here is we have property. I bought this for 203. I just got it revalued last week for 450. Not bad, in 4 years' time. That's not bad, is it? We sadly had a case of bed bugs, and we actually treated the property twice with 6 times, but 2 treatments each, having 3 treatments each, and the bed bugs just didn't disappear. So unfortunately we then decided to evict all the tenants, because it was the only way we could really get to the bottom of the problem. And what we're doing is we're just doing a proper renovation, so we're just really smartening up the property. After 4 years of HMO tenants, it just needs a bit of smartening up. So here, for example, what that is we've been up in the loft, and I've done a couple of videos up there. We did gallows brackets, where we took out all the chimney breasts and put in gallows brackets, because that gave us more space in the rooms in order to do the ensuite, and this is an ensuite. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of leakage, so the guys have hacked that back. It's no longer massively leaking, but it's leaking enough that I've called a plumber, so I called a roofer, and he'll be out this week. And then over here, the whole house is being treated for bed bugs, and here the guys are just taking like the bathroom fittings and just giving them a refresh, a nice paint. All of this room has already been painted, and you can probably see it's starting to be really nice and white. You see all the beds are still here. Now we're very fortunate, the carpets are going, do you hear their rock music as well? The carpets are going to be fine. The only carpet we're going to replace, we've got like a kitchen diner, and that one just has got a bit manky, so we're replacing that one. So it's not an expensive refurb, but I'm just pulling my property back up to top end standard, because I charge top end rent, and as a result I've got to produce a top end standard. So for your repair budget, I want you to set aside 10% of your rent into a different bank account, and that will be your repair budget. Now, where's my tea? I've been talking to Joe, and I've been saying, be mindful of time, because obviously we're on a budget. But and I hope you're not listening, Joe, but actually Josh, who runs my properties, him and his team, they actually have saved so far 8 grand. For the next, they've got 8 grand underspend, if you like, because we anticipate that we're doing a 10% of repairs, and they've actually underspent by 8 grand, and we've got 3 months to go. So frankly, although this is a pain, it's costing some money in the nicest way, because we're paying for the guys, it's within budget, because we do 10% of repairs. 10% of the rent is a repair cost, and the guys have done extremely well in the lettings department to save that money. Sadly, we're now going to spend it, but at least we got it. All right, hope that's helpful, and it's just part of being a landlord. There's no point worrying about it. Cup of tea, and then I'm going for Sunday roast at a Caribbean restaurant, so it's going to be English food and Caribbean food, and lots of it, because I've worked out for 3 hours this morning. See you soon, bye.